I have here a small marble rolling pin. I'm going to go ahead and use this to make some cookies. It's going to roll out my dough. I'm going to show you how well this works. So because this is a marble rolling pin, it's going to have a pretty decent amount of weight to it, which is nice. Even though it's small, it's got a lot of weight. It also has a nice, beautiful look because it's marble, so it has that nice marble look. And it's got a nice luster to it as well. And it's also very smooth, so nothing's going to stick to it. And the handle is really comfortable, and it works really well. So I got a mound of some cookie dough here. I'm going to use this little roller to roll it out. Because this is a marble roller, it's going to be nice and heavy, so it's going to help push it down, but it's also going to be non-stick, so it's not going to stick to the roller. So the handle's nice and comfortable. It's working really well. It's not sticking to the dough at all, and it's rolling it nice and flat. So this roller worked really good. It got the dough nice and flat. Now I'm ready to cut out these cookies so I can bake them. So after you're done using this rolling pin, the nice thing about it is it's going to be super easy to clean. When it's time to clean it, all you gotta do is just put it under some water and rub it clean. It'll come clean really quick and easy because it is made of marble. Because of its small size, it's super easy to just throw it in your kitchen drawer and put it away. So this small marble rolling pin would be great to use on things like cookies, pizza dough, pastries, candies, anything like that. Any of the stuff that you need to roll out, this is going to be a good option to have. So I would recommend this small marble rolling pin to anybody that likes to cook. This is a great addition to your cooking tools. It's super compact. It's super nice because it's marble, it doesn't stick, and it's comfortable to use, and it's got a moderate amount of weight, so it's going to help you roll out whatever you need to roll out.